Hi guys, Ollie and Luke here. I know it's been a while, but I had to wait till a certain point to be able to post again. Today we are going to see what Ollie thinks about some McDonald's snap pea fries that I got in the McDonald's container. It's big enough that Ollie can manipulate it and such, so we're going to let him see how he likes it. Chan randomly came to the room and decided that he was going to hang out with us, so we got Chan in the house. Yeah, that big old tail. Alright, so what is these, Ollie?
What are those? Let me unleash the beast here. There you go. You got all your fries out?
So I don't give him salty fries from McDonald's, but
I gave him some snap peas in the fried thing.
little salt won't hurt him. But
Get your thing, bro. What you think about it? You're gonna open that up? You got a little pea action in there, huh? Good job.
I'm scooping him up and he's getting mad.
Here. There it is. There it is, bro. Found a pea in there.
So Ollie really likes peas, boiled, steamed.
It's his favorite. Is it good? Want her fried, bro? You found one? Alright. I'm trying to get you the fat ones so they got the peas in them.
We have some really interesting, cool content coming up, guys. I hope you guys stick around. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of fun things coming up. Monkey Boo Crew is going through an exciting time right now, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the only channel on YouTube dedicated to the life of a baby squirrel monkey. Here, bro.